Check out our newest email update. We now have a preview in browser button available that can be easily put into your emails. This feature enables users to effortlessly include a link allowing recipients to view emails in their web browser, enhancing accessibility and engagement with email content. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, again, there is enhanced accessibility because this new feature enables recipients to easily view emails in their web browser, which oftentimes can really give a much better experience to the email reader. This also creates brand consistency, utilizing branded domains when available, ensuring brand consistency and professionalism. This is also going to allow you to streamline email creation when adding that view email in browser option to email templates and campaigns. Now, let's talk about some practical use. Imagine that you're a small business owner utilizing the CRM's email builder to create promotional emails. Now, very likely that is not a far stretch for what you actually do. But by incorporating the View Email in Browser option, recipients who encounter any of those rendering issues in their email can seamlessly view that content right inside of their browser, leading to improved engagement and conversion rates. So let's go ahead and create or edit an existing email template. So first you're going to go into marketing, and then you're going to go into email, specifically into campaigns. And for this, we're going to click the plus new. Then we're going to click on those three dots, and we can actually go ahead and click edit. That's if we're going to edit one of our existing email templates. Now, what's great is you're going to see this new element, which is the preview URL. So it is called preview URL, and you're going to find that by clicking on the plus icon and selecting that specific element. You're simply going to drag that in and add that to your email template. Now, while you're clicking on it, go ahead and select the linked text by utilizing the linked text icon, which looks a little bit like a chain. Now you can add or edit that link. Go ahead to the custom field and select email. Now you're going to go ahead and choose preview in browser so that you're able to add that link URL and get that ready to go. Now go ahead and add the text you want to display. You're going to go to the text to display box and you're going to select view this in email browser. Now go ahead and make sure that you save. The next thing you might want to be doing is to test or to preview this email. So after you've saved that template, go ahead into the test email or the preview template button, and that is located after you click save. Now what's great is you can easily view that email in your browser link and see exactly how this works. This feature empowers businesses to enhance email accessibility, to maintain brand consistency, and to streamline email creation processes, ultimately improving engagement and communication effectiveness within your business. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.